What? Look at my hair. Look at my there. There. You feel me? I'm putting that in here.
No. Where we at? We always absolute.
So yeah, I'm redoing my hair, so it's looking better than it used to. Don't worry about it. But what we here for? My sister bought, what's it called?
Chamoy.
Chamoy pickles. I'm gonna let her show it.
We got chamoy pickle kit. Oh, here's the pickle.
Should I taste the camera?
Go ahead and blend it.
Cause I'm recording on whatever. Hold up, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So we finna watch a video on how you do it.
Because we don't know.
Cause she bought a whole kit, like it's like stuff in here, all this, and I'm excited because I feel like we finally get to do something on here on the vlog.
You take the pickle out.
The pickle is huge.
Wrap that joint in the roll up. Okay, let's do that first.
Take the whip. Okay.
Drop the roof and let the smoke in. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that romance.
Y'all ready? Ready? I'm just literally not gonna even say nothing.
Is it good or not? Okay. It's okay, look. It's okay. I don't know why you have that in your mouth that long. She pretended to go back. That's disgusting. It's okay, look. It's okay. It's okay. I'm okay, dude. Don't look at me.
Maybe I'm TikTok lying.
The baby on TikTok lying. Y'all are terrible. Huh? Really, like? Yeah, I should have let you sit down. Oh God, this is more straight in trash. I'm gonna try to let y'all know. I'm not a fan
At all. Never again. I don't eat nothing else. I don't even want to talk though.
People just say she don't even want to talk on no more.
I don't even want to talk.
Okay, y'all. See y'all later. Hope y'all enjoy.
In and out.
Hey, y'all be watching the Bangles? Because, yeah, my best friend put me on. So, if y'all don't be watching it, I'm finna put y'all on. Because my best friend put me on, I'm putting y'all on. Go watch the Bangles, period. Anyways, it's your girl, Niyah Latrice, back at it again with another video. If you're new here, hey. And if you're not new here, you know it's popping. I almost forgot my intro or whatever. But, y'all, so I really don't know how I'm gonna edit this video because I filmed 2 pieces. I filmed me making breakfast and I filmed me trying that pickle yesterday. Y'all probably like, oh my gosh, she got to do the same thing she did yesterday. We're still morning. Get off my, like, for real. So, yesterday I tried the pickle. Then today I made breakfast and I took me a nap because I woke up extremely too early. It's summertime and off work. It's too early. I should never woke up that early. But I cooked me some food. I took me a nap. And now I'm back up. And my best friend coming over today. Yay! So I'm trying to see. I gotta clean up because I was doing my hair yesterday. So I gotta clean up. And I gotta clean up regardless because every trip, like, if you don't clean up before people come to your house, that's your problem. So, boom. Gotta clean up. So I'm thinking, like, should I get in the shower and then clean up, or should I clean up and then get in the shower? I'm thinking I should clean up and then get in the shower because that just makes more sense. Like, if I get dirty while I'm cleaning up, I could just get in the shower after. Which I'm not gonna get dirty while I'm cleaning up because my room's not that bad. Don't ever play with me like that. Like, you feel me? So yeah, I think I'm gonna clean up, then I'm getting a shower. So if y'all wondering, oh, why does she still having the shampoo from yesterday? It's still morning. I'm finna to clean up, then I'm gonna get in the shower. Thank you. So I'm gonna fold all these clothes. I got a whole bunch of clothes that need to be folded. Then I'm gonna clean up. If y'all hear that, it's because my mom has it on like 50 degrees in here, and it's very cold, so I have to have on a heater in the summertime. That's ridiculous. Anyways, I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna get back to, I'm probably gonna talk to y'all after I'm gonna record, but I'm probably gonna actually talk to y'all after I get out the shower. Yeah, so I'll just talk to y'all when I get out the shower. Boom.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I'm pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it like this. I wanted to see this. I wanted to make it up. I would trade it off, boy. It just hurts so much when it ain't working. How this time nobody else is you. And I used to be on my relationship.
Okay, y'all, so talk to me while I'm finished getting ready. But y'all, I'm just irritated right now because it's like so much going on, so many last minute things going on, and it's irritating me. Like, it's really blowing me. So off camera, I did finish cleaning up, semi-finished cleaning up, because it's like, I don't know, y'all. So I cleaned my bathroom a little bit. Like, my bathroom wasn't dirty, so the bathroom is clean. My room is picked up. It's not like really like spotless. Like I haven't even vacuumed or none of that because it's just like so much going on. But basically, my mom decided that she wants to go to Atlanta today, and her and my granny's going out of town to Atlanta to see my auntie, right? Boom. Me and Harmony supposed to be going to get slushies or whatever the thing, Italian ice today. But it really wasn't like just a today thing. Like it really don't matter, I don't think. You know, like as long as we go do it, that's just what we wanted to do this weekend. So we supposed to be going to get that, which is Saturday, so it only makes sense to go get them today. But okay, cool. If we can't get them today, then no big deal because it's not that serious, right? So, boom. My mom going out of town, so I'm like, okay, we could just go tomorrow, which that's what we're gonna do. Go tomorrow. But Harmony is coming over, and my granny wants me to go to my grandma's house because my grandma doesn't feel good. Which, not an issue because, I mean, cool, but what am I supposed to tell Harmony? Like, of course she could come to my grandma's house with me, but like, it's just so many last minute things. I haven't even finished cleaning up. Like, what am I actually supposed to do? I don't know. It's just really stressing me out. For real, I think I'm gonna take off my outfit because if I'm just gonna be sitting out at grandma's house with nothing to do, then no point in me wearing this. Which ain't nothing to it but a shirt and some shorts. But like, I could put on some other shorts. I don't have to wear these in particular. You know? So that's that, which is just boring me because first, like, my mom was like, y'all can go to grandma's house, and I'm like, I'm not going because Harmony's coming over, so why would I go to my grandma's house and then Harmony's coming over? And I don't know what time she's coming over. Then I took a shower, then my mom, as soon as I got out of the shower, my mom was like, well, can you just go to grandma's house because your granny wants you to stay over there with grandma, this and that. But I don't really care, but like, for one, I don't even know what to do when I'm sick, and when people's around me are sick, I literally have to leave the room. Like, I can't see throwing up, stuff like that disgusts me. So I'm really not the person. I sit over there, but like, I don't really know what to do. Like, I don't really know what to do. So it's really pointless. It's really pointless. Like, really pointless for real. So yeah, then it's like, what am I like? Okay, I'm gonna go over there, but how am I gonna get back home? Like, how am I gonna get back home? Because my sister's going to do hair, this, that, and the third. That's gonna take hours. Like, how am I supposed to be getting back home? Like, literally. I don't know what type of hair she's doing, but I just know it's gonna take a long time because what hairstyle don't take a long time at this point? So, I need some more mousse. My life is just chaotic right now, like literally blowing me, literally like irritating the crap out of me. I don't know. So yeah, that's what's going on. I don't have no jewelry on right now, looking crazy. But I just have to tell y'all that because it's just like irritating me. Hold up, y'all. Yeah, but yeah, it's really irritating me because it's too much. Like, when it's like my mind's racing right now. Like, too much going on. Literally too much. These twists are so big. Is this even cute? I'm finna cry about because this is just too much going on. Like, for real. Is this ugly? Bro, I'm finna sight. Like, I'm dead finna sight right now. Like, I can feel it. I can literally feel it. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I like know what's going on. Cause right now, honestly, don't even know how I'm gonna even get to my grandma's house or when or where. Too much. Anyways, bye. Talk to y'all in a minute. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I got on meeting. So anyways, yeah, so I'm back, y'all. Me and my sister's finna head to my grandma's house. I don't think my sister's doing hair no more today, so we finna head to my grandma's house. I packed me a bag because I really want to do my lashes and I want to put my nails back on. Boom, I told Harmony, like, I'm not going to be here. She said she going to come to my grandma's house, which, no problem, because Harmony been around for how many years? So, like, that's not an issue. So, she's going to come to my grandma's house. Lay, you want to talk to them? I think Lay want to tell y'all something. Hold up, y'all. What you want to tell them? What you want to tell them? Go subscribe to her YouTube, y'all. What you want to tell them? Now she quiet. She was just trying to tell y'all something, but now she's quiet. Anyways, so yeah, I bought that stuff. And we lit. Basically, I don't really know. I'm feeling a little bit stress-free right now because I was really worried like this earlier. But, you know, it's cool. It's cool. Oh, my hair don't look that bad how I thought it did. But y'all see me. I was really finna cry. I was really finna psych. Because, yeah. But yeah, we back in business. So I guess I'm probably gonna talk to y'all either. I don't know if I'm gonna talk to y'all while I'm at my grandma's house because it really nothing to talk to y'all about. So I might talk to y'all tomorrow or later tonight when I get back at my house. Back at my house. Ooh, back at my house. I just do it too much. Okay, bye y'all. Okay, y'all, we at my grandma's house and Leah bought these from the thing. And my grandma got these. And we're gonna make a soda candy. I'm gonna come back when Leah come back, okay, y'all? Sorry for the quality. Don't worry. Okay, y'all, so we finna rip. Y'all probably like, these folks are childish. I don't. Did I add? Thank you.
Maybe you're just too grown.
You're too grown. Slow down.
I actually
So,
taste it.
candy.
Taste it. Oh, it's good. Okay.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
On a day without my
I don't even eat candy like that.
feels free.
I don't know the last time I had candy.
Delivered differently through an IV infusion with Vyepti, a preventive
It's
treatment
cool.
for migraine and
It tastes like gum a little bit.
It's a 30-minute infusion taken 4 times a year. It can help reduce monthly migraine.
You want some, Grandma?
Don't take if allergic to Vyepti. Common side effects are
that's
allergic
good.
reactions, stuffy nose, and scratchy throat. Allergic reactions include rash, swelling, trouble breathing,
Oh, thank you.
redness of the face.
Good thing I put no, thank you. Good thing I put no juice in there. She in the car seat.
But we ended up using Rachel's as much, and the clothes still weren't as clean as
Oh.
we decided.
Lord can have some more.
Laundry and get a tight
Put
clean.
her some red
It's
one.
got to be
Oh.
tight.
I got a blue drink.
Ooh, I was really come off. It looks like medicine thing.
Weekends? You might think that's wasteful, but it's not. Even half loads use 80% less water than hand washing, saving $130 on utilities. Cascade, the dish differently.
What do y'all get out of putting candy in your soda?
It make it taste good,
Rediscover
like a candy drink.
some today. Instead of soda,
Oh, yours bubbling. You see the sugar? The drink is not dirty. It's sugar. Y'all seen the sugar on the candy? Don't play with me. Ugh, it do look nasty though.
I was paying for in-flight Wi-Fi for months before I finally caught it.
I can
Rocket
taste
Money
candy
uncovers
just a
hidden
little bit,
subscriptions.
You can barely taste the candy. Maybe if it's sick.
From there, you decide
This
if you
candy
want
stuck
that
to my
service.
tooth already. I only drunk a little bit.
The app with one tap.
I mean, I only ate a little bit.
The money app that works for you.
Introducing
Okay, y'all. I just had to show y'all that. Just had to show y'all that. But bye. I'm going again. Hey, you guys. Hey, y'all. It's what today is? It's Saturday. It's Saturday. My hair look a mess. I didn't just wake up. It's like 1 something. Ooh, it is not 1 something. It's probably like 3 something. It's probably like 3 something. My back. I don't know what I did, but like my back is hurting when I move it sideways. So I'm gonna get ready to get in the shower. Gonna get ready to get in the shower. Me and my best friend, we're gonna chilling today. We ate pizza. We're just been chilling, but we both gonna get up, get in the shower, go get ices. You know, we try to find something to do, but really ain't nothing to do. Really ain't nothing to do. I had put some charms in my cart, on Amazon. My mom ended up buying them. I didn't even know she bought them. So I just found out. So I kind of want to do me some short nails and put charms all over them. So I might do that in this video one of these days. Me and my best friend kind of wanted to, well, I ain't gonna say me and my best friend, but I was trying to find something for us to do. And I had looked on TikTok, best friend days, this, that, and third. And somebody they was painting, and I was like, that's cute. So we might paint. We're just trying to find something to do. Then we was trying to go to the lineup or something. But y'all, it's just so much. We really just trying to find something to do. So basically, no plans for real, but to go get them ices. And the whole thing, the whole gag was, we had seen this place because somebody like that lived down here went. And they had posted it and looked so good. Then we had went to the website ourselves and they had some bomb flavors, like some bomb flavors. And we was like, okay, we're gonna get this, we're gonna get that. Like it was like caramel cookie type vibe, but it was like icy. So we was like, boom. We went back to the website yesterday. Them are not flavors that are located down here where we live. Like they're regular ices. But we still gonna go because, yeah, so yeah, maybe when we get there, we'll be able to find like some good flavors, but I don't know. But anyways, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm trying to see y'all recording me getting ready because I'm gonna start making track. Well, we took a break from track this week. We didn't have no practice last week, but this week we back on track. So I'm probably not gonna record me getting ready today because I'm probably gonna record me getting ready for track one of these days. And I don't wanna show y'all me getting ready every day because it's like boring. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna get ready in the shower and do this, do that, do this and that. I'm gonna talk to y'all when we're on the way to get ices probably. Okay, y'all, I think I had this on in the vlog before. I did. I told y'all I was gonna take it off and put it back on. Yep, so that's what I did. We finna get ready to leave in a minute. Whenever everybody leave, then we finna leave. And you know I'm driving because I'm a NASCAR driver, like seriously, NASA, what is it? Is it NASA? NASA, ain't they the ones that be driving? Is NASA the ones that go out of space or they the one that be driving them fast cars? NASA, whatever. Y'all see this? Put me on because I'm really like the best in the city. Like nobody driving skills mess with my for period. So NASA, is it? I think it's NASA. I don't know though. Whatever. Whoever be driving fast cars, race cars, boom. Put me on. Anyways, we're gonna go get ices. Yeah. And that's probably it. I don't know. So I'll see y'all there. It's Harvey, Duda, Leah. Don't subscribe to do it. Subscribe to it. Subscribe to Harvey too. I don't know about Steve. No. She don't like mine.
It's they need to let the go on now. It's nasty.
Thank you for wanting the version.
Come on.
Apologies for the wait. Sometimes it's hard. Make the distractions of off. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complication. I find it amazing the way that you feel in your kid. Bitches is hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you take the time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind. Between the hectic sounds of your pressure, they be crying. You can feel your mind. See a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Really been doing you wrong. Ladies, you feeling like you're on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me the tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seems like I keep crying on so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. This little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be loved. Sending you scissors and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate. Just and I'll be around.
I got a little time. Okay, they shouldn't put it in the corner. Okay, I gotta go because this might be copyrighted. I hope it ain't. Okay, y'all, now we at Target. Just because I'm bored and I don't have nothing to do and we finna walk around. Cause like, what? Oh, we should go to Starbucks.
You want to buy Starbucks?
Yeah, we're gonna buy Starbucks.
Buy me a small dragon fruit refresher.
Yeah. I'm buying one. Oh, Leah, something on your shirt.
What?
Something on your shirt. You gotta tell that.
What happened to it?
It's something brown
Oh,
on there.
the apple juice.
That apple juice on there. Okay, y'all, bye. Okay, y'all, so we at the Starbucks inside of the Target, and I got late a cake pop. Look at her with her cake poppy. Dang, she's sticking that whole thing out mine. Cause she didn't like the icy, and I got me a drink, strawberry acai bowl thing, strawberry acai with lemonade. And Harmony, what did you get?
I got mango dragon fruit lemonade frozen.
Period. So, yeah, we act like we been here. We be here every day. Don't even know what we getting. Just getting stuff.
Just getting some.
Just getting stuff. And I don't think y'all understand the place that we just got there from was literally next door. Like, so we literally just got something to drink, like, but it's gonna be a refresher. This is refresher, like, you feel me? And I just got a small and a cake pop for my dude. Dang. Okay, y'all. Maybe I shouldn't have got that.
She gonna mess up her.
Oh, Lamar. Hail Mary, your marijuana times is hard. Pray with the hooligan, shadows all in the dark. Fellowship with demons and relatives, I'm a star. Life is one funny motherfucker. A true comedian, you gotta love him. You gotta trust him. I might be bugging. Infomercials and no sleep. Introverted.
I'm back at home. Yo, I just be getting lit. Oh, Harmony. How I was in Target and ain't getting no new sheets and just realized. I'm mad. But anyways.
You're not mad.
I'm mad. Anyways, so y'all, I'm home. We went to go get ices. Y'all seen I rated a 6 out of 10. What you rated? I can't even say the name because I'm vlogging, but you know. It was cool. I rated a 6 out of 10 because I just feel like it was too much ice cream. It wasn't like no icy. But it was good. It was good, but it was just like too much ice cream. So, yeah, it was cool though. But too much ice cream. Boom. Then we went to Target and I got me a drink from Target. 10 out of 10 for real. Did you like yours, Harmony?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
You sounded like me. It was cool. 10 out of 10. We was in Target acting crazy. What else? That was really it. That was really good. Now we back at home. Oh, y'all. Most importantly, hold up. Most importantly, I didn't even think I told y'all last night. So boom, I was at my grandma's house, right? Grandma's house earlier in the day, yesterday. I'm like, dang, I forgot my AirPods at home. So boom, I forgot about it. Came home, it's nighttime, so I'm finna watch some on my iPad, put my AirPods in. I'm like, hold on, I forgot. I lost my AirPods at home, so let me find them. Couldn't find my AirPods. Couldn't find them. So at this point, I'm heated. I get to seeing how much it is to give me some more. $270 something for the ones I got right now. And I'm like, yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna tell my dad, but I'm gonna need those because I need some AirPods. I gotta have my AirPods. So I'm thinking, it's only Saturday. I just left my dad's house yesterday, so it's a possibility they could be at my dad's house because I don't really go too long without using my AirPods. So if it was like Tuesday, I would have known they was here somewhere. But I'm like, they could be at my dad's house because I don't remember using them while I'm over here. I went to my dad's house and my AirPods over there. And my best friend bought me this case. So y'all can't get this case. Y'all can't get this case. If y'all got this case, you lucky because can't nobody else get this case. But yeah, I was supposed to be. That's what happened. What else happened? Nothing for real. Went to my grandma's house chilling. Oh, gotta tell y'all. Got to. God told y'all the last time. I'm gonna tell y'all every time because I feel like she be watching me. So I'm here again. Let me go find the video because if y'all haven't seen, y'all finna go see. Hold up. I'm finna tell you exactly what video I talked about in. Hold up. Don't click off now. I'm gonna tell you. Gotta go to my videos. I'm gonna tell you the exact. I'll put it in my thumbnail. Okay. Boom. The video called. It's posted 2 months ago. It's called Spend 2 Days of My Life with Me. new hairdo. My response to her in my business, most importantly. My response to her in my business. She ain't packaged, and then boom. I ain't gonna talk about what happened in the last video, because if you want to know, you gotta go watch the last video. But what happened this time, same girl. Same girl. That was 2 months ago, remember? Same girl, we here back. We back again 2 months later. So boom. Old girl just put me in, well, I ain't gonna count. We was cool before, so she ain't put me in the group chat. She sent something to a group chat that I was in, which is crazy because it's only me, my best friend, and her in that group chat. And mind you, she's off her spam because I blocked her on my main page. On her main page, so she just sent something to the group chat. Kind of got me, I ain't even gonna count. Never mind, I ain't gonna say that. But yeah, that's basically what happened. I just was arguing with her for a good 5 minutes, but I blocked her again. So she can't watch me off the spell. She gotta make a new page. But yeah, that's really what happened. I don't really want to talk about that anymore because I'm kind of in a good mood because I'm thinking about my AirPods. So I'm in a good mood because I ain't gotta pay $270 for no new ones. You get me? So I'm in a good mood. But I just had to tell y'all that because I feel like y'all had to know. Because I'm gonna update y'all every time. Oh, I didn't update y'all. She followed me on TikTok the other day. I'm done talking about it. I'm done talking about it because I get to laughing. But yeah, y'all. Got my AirPods. Yeah, talk to y'all later. I'm probably gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Should I show y'all me getting ready for track? I gotta go to track tomorrow. I'm lit. Anyways, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Talk to y'all tomorrow because 8:20 is 8:24. It's time for me to build. Okay, for real, because I ain't even talking about nothing else.
Whip, bought it, crib, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Hey guys, it's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I promised somebody in the comments before that I was going to try my best to give y'all outros because sometimes I do disappear. It's days later, but I know I promised one of y'all I was gonna give y'all an outro. So I'm back here giving y'all an outro, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.